Okay, Michaela and I had so much fun yesterday sampling the Snapple and the cut drink that we're doing another tasting test today. So she doesn't know what I got, but she's scared. So I went to Come and Go, and they have a new cappuccino flavor. So I thought, well, let's try it. It should still be a little warm. I had a little bit of a drive, so it's probably cooled down by now, which is okay because I'm a big baby for hot drink when it comes to hot drinks. See the color?
It's pink.
It's pink.
I don't like that. I'll make a mess.
Don't make a mess?
Yeah, because if you make a mess, you're cleaning it.
No promises. So,
I'll drink it out of the cup. I don't need
pink. Which cup?
The Come and Go cup.
Here you go.
Why'd you get such a big one?
To share. What does it smell like?
Like Peeps.
Peeps? She thinks it smells like Peeps. I think it smells like cotton candy.
Oh, no.
No, it doesn't taste like cotton candy, or no, it's not good?
I still say Peeps.
I still say like cotton candy.
No. I'm still gonna drink the whole thing.
It's not bad. It's called, I think it's called Unicorn Surprise or Unicorn Mystery. Something like that. So,
I see Peeps.
she thinks it tastes like Peeps. It's not bad.
Kids do not want Peeps, but that's besides the point.
But I didn't just stop there. I got other stuff.
I was sleeping. Didn't
You may want to keep your drink.
wow. What is that?
It's just M&M's.
No.
What color you want?
What color do we have?
There's yellow and brown and cream colored. Here, have some.
I don't like the smell of that.
Did you smell weird?
Oh, get off me, dog. I don't want to try these.
Ready?
No.
Ready?
No.
Put it in.
I'm gonna stop.
And just
No. Cat.
close that door before they get in here.
It's already in there.
Oh, it's already in here.
Too late.
It just tastes like M&M's.
It smells pretty good. I don't like them.
It does smell weird, but
I don't like them. Take them.
yes, they hurt.
Daisy. Enjoy.
Those are the chocolate popcorn.
Oh, well, I don't like popcorn. I mean, I like
Tastes fine to me.
popcorn. I like popcorn, but I don't like popcorn or different things.
I guess it just honestly tastes just like it would be when I go to the theater and dump my M&M's in my popcorn. Because I like to do that.
You don't do those. You do
I do M&M's sometimes. And sometimes Reese's peanut butter pieces things.
Dog likes them. And she likes them being popcorn flavored.
With the Skittles?
Are they all taste like the zombie things like us have?
Maybe. Maybe not. What color you want?
I don't know what color do we have. Give me the red one. These are dark side ones.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Next color. Orange, blue, or green?
If you kill me, I'm coming back to haunt you.
But I'll have a boat because you have a lot of life insurance.
I'll still come back and haunt you.
Good?
No, you try some.
You try those two. I'm going to get my own.
No, you try them.
Those, just blue and green. Blackberry and melon.
I don't like melon. I've had these. These are the dark side ones, aren't they?
Here's purple.
Melon shower. Ish. You're being stared at.
You want a Skittle?
No, I think she wants the M&Ms. Okay.
Alright, here I go. It's the red one.
She doesn't want a Skittle.
She's gonna roll over it.
Why the hell are you rolling your... But you still eat it. Okay.
Nice, good.
She doesn't want a Skittle. She wants an M&M. I don't want any more. She didn't eat the Skittle. She wants M&Ms.
Well, that was no fun. There's the zombie ones.
Was it really?
Yeah.
Oh no. Those are gross. They still have those?
Yep.
Oh, because Halloween's coming back.
I must have got the sweet packet because these are all sweet.
These are dumb jeans stuff. Those things are gross.
Let's see.
It's like a scary version of it's even. I say the Jelly Belly ones are gross, but those are even. The Bean Boozled are gross, but those are worse.
I must have got the good package because, yeah, all these are just normal tasting.
I thought they were like the dark side ones. Or dark side, but you know.
Yeah. Zombie Skittles.
Ugh.
Some taste like rotten zombie.
You got that correct.
I think I found it.
I don't think so.
No, I think I found it.
Eh.
Here, try an orange one.
No, I don't want them. I'm not doing it. I've had them before.
Oh.
It sucks.
Oh, it gets worse.
Spit in the trash can.
I'm not gonna spit. Cool.
Just spit in my napkin.
That's disgusting. Here, you do one.
No, I'm not doing
Do
one.
one.
I've already had them. They're gross.
Oh.
You might want to brush your teeth after that.
Oh. That was nasty.
No.
Let's see. Did I do a green one yet?
You jinx yourself so you get the bad ones out.
Yeah, that one's a good one. That one was like watermelon or something. I'm guessing it's the orange ones that are gross.
Not all of them.
Did I try purple yet? Yeah, it's definitely that orange one was nasty.
It's not always the orange one.
Oh, that orange one was gross.
They're all different. I know, if you've ever done the Bean Boozled challenge, it's like that.
Oopsie. Oopsie.
It's when you do the Bean Boozled one, you can't smell what you're getting, but with those ones, you can bite into it before you can smell it.
Yep.
Dog, I don't know what flavor you just got, but it's gross.
I'm gonna laugh.
She ate it.
Because she likes to eat the popcorn. Well, there you have it.
Your popcorn eating dog.
The zombie Skittles, popcorn M&Ms, which tastes pretty good, and then some cotton candy unicorn.
Peeps.
Peeps. Cappuccino from Come and Go. I'm about to go to that candy store that has all the fun, crazy, weird tasting things and get some stuff.
Which one? The one at the mall?
Yeah, the one at the mall.
The Lolly and Pops.
Lolly and Pops? Yeah.
What's called?
Yeah, definitely. All right. Well, that's it for this round. See you next time.
I'm done.